Welcome, in front of me is EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So you want to get started by opening up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example. And once it's open and visible on the screen, simply hold power key and volume down. You'll get this image for a brief second and then pop up with three options: share, edit, or delete. If you don't interact with it, as you can see, it just disappears. So that's one way you can capture a screenshot. Another one is by holding a power key and selecting the option from here. Not as convenient as the holding the keys, but still another option. And sometimes there's also a toggle for it somewhere in your notifications, but it looks like it's not the case right here. So anyway, once you capture your screenshots, you can find them all in your photo gallery. As you can see, there they are. So there are the two screenshots that I have captured. So that is how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.